Welcome, you guys. I hope everything is going well for you today. My name is Darla. If you've never come to my channel, welcome, and I'm so happy to have you. If you would, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe. That would really help me out. And if you hit that little bell, it will notify you every time we post a video, which is a couple times a week. What we're talking about this month is 2019 trends, and I've got the new Marc Jacobs pencil, so let's get into it. So what I have here today is Marc Jacobs Fineliner. What's so phenomenal about this, I'm going to talk a little bit about it before we get into it, but what's so great is, one, it is a fine line, it's a gel, and it has, because it's so fine, you have the option of very precise lines. You can tight line with it, you can go on the water line underneath, yet it's very blendable at the same time. It's waterproof. You get an all-day wear. It's a fabulous pencil. I've played with it a little bit before now. I'm excited to try it because I've done a little bit of playing around with it, and one of the 2019 trends is eyeliner. So abstract eyeliner, really eyeliner. I mean, bold. There's been some different looks at award shows where the liner is just super prominent. So that's kind of the trend that I'm going with. I'm not going to do super abstract stuff, but I am going to use this and show you how awesome it is. First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hair behind my ears. I'm going to curl my lashes because I'm going to use the pencil as a tight line, and I'm going to go right in there between my lashes and really put a nice line. So did I mention the color? I got Grapevine. It comes in 15 colors. They have a white. So there, oh, that's another thing you can do. Wide-eyed look. I'd really like to do it. So what they did was they tight lined and put on the inner corner and kind of extended out. This was on Marc Jacobs' page. So interesting, with the white, and it's like, it's not a flesh color, it's white, and then lined on the outside with a color. It was beautiful. So I'm interested because I'm already liking this pencil, and I'm sure I would like the white one. So back to this. I got Grapevine. It's a purple. I love purples. So what I'm gonna do right now, I just curled, I'm gonna go right in underneath my lashes and really tight line. So when they're talking about tight lining, you go right in between the lashes and grab that skin where your hair isn't meeting and just try and thicken up the lash line. Usually you do it with a white or a black, but I'm gonna do it with this grape because it looks really pretty. I tried it yesterday and I loved it. I don't know if you can tell, but this side should look a little thicker on the lash line than this side. Nothing crazy, but it should look a little thicker. Hopefully it does. This is 2 millimeters. It's very, very fine, and they say unbreakable, whatever that means. And you just kind of click and a little bit more comes out. So the tip is flat. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to start making my design, and I'm going to draw a little bit, blend a little bit, draw a little bit, blend a little bit. So here we go. Now what I'm going to do is smudge near the top of the lash. Now I'm going to go back in with the pencil. So it's going to be back and forth here. What's so beautiful is this pencil is so blendable. It's so pretty. And I'm gonna go right in to the crease. And I'm just going to keep on deepening it until I get my desired look. So I'm going right into the crease, and see how it's blending out? It's almost like a shadow. It's so pretty. I might take a little bit of a fluffy brush and see. Oh yeah. So pretty. So a little bit more because I want it just a little bit deeper. And I'm just using literally this color and these two brushes. One is, look at how pretty that looks. This is the Sigma brush, which is just a blending tapered brush E35 that I use all the time. This is just the pencil. Now I'm going to go in on the waterline on the bottom. Kind of go right at the lash line. And I'm going to blend that out. And you guys know, key is blending, always. So I just went in and deepened that just a little bit. And then the only other thing I'm gonna add, so there it's just like a soft lavender. It's just blended out so pretty. Really seamless. I'm gonna add in this gold. It's called Kissed by Gold. It is in, this was like a holiday palette from Lancome, but they sell them separately. So I'm gonna go in with that. And I'm going to use, so I used this brush. This is Sigma's 40 HD. It's that new brush that I got. I used it yesterday. Okay, I think I'm in love because it was so nice. And I'm just placing this right in the center. Now you can see that there's a little bit of white right here. I'm gonna add that purple. I'm gonna go back in with the purple, this liner, the fine liner, and I'm just gonna fill that in. Because this pencil blends so nicely, I'm not afraid to go back in and just deepen it up. I mean, even that, I can just go like this with my brush and it cleans up so nicely. And then I'm just going to touch the top of my brow with a very light color. And I'm gonna go in the corner because this has a point. It's so great. I'm gonna go in with that bronze color, Kissed by Gold, right in here. So I just took the corner of this brush and I'm gonna just slap it in the, I'm gonna put it right in the center. So I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I'll come right back. It is a very simple look. If you had 2 of these pencils, honestly, I don't even know if I'd need shadow because you can just blend them out so nicely and they're gonna stay all day. I know I keep on going in because you can make it more intense. So I just am, yeah. So I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and I will be right back, okay? So what I did off camera was I went ahead and finished my makeup, put my mascara on and the other eye, but I did it a little different. I didn't add the Kissed by Gold. So on this side, I have the Kissed by Gold, which is that gold, and I took it into the center a little bit. And this side is just this. I mean, hello. It's awesome. So the only thing that I can find that's negative, because honestly, I'm loving this pencil. It's super blendable. I mean, it blended out so nicely. Literally with a fluffy brush, it blended out. You know how you have those eyeliners and you put them on and you're like, oh my gosh, I need to smudge that a little bit and it won't move. This one moves, but then stays. So my one negative would be I'm most likely gonna run out of this product pretty quickly. I don't know how much is in here, but I mean, I'm sure it says it on the box. 0.1 gram, no, 0.11 grams. So, I mean, what does that mean to me? It means nothing. You know, it cracks me up. Some people will go, well, how much is in there? Okay, does it really matter whether it was an ounce or an ounce and a half? Are you really gonna notice? I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna run out of this too quickly because I love using it everywhere. So on this side again, just liner. I just played with the liner and blended it out. And then this side I added the Kiss by Gold. So I like both looks. They both, you know, they are different. And I like each of them differently. Let me know which one you guys like. You know, do you like the gold in there or do you like just the liner by itself? I mean, let me know. It's just when I got to this side, I thought I kind of like that just by itself. You ever do that when you're doing makeup? It's a bummer when it's on the second eye too. I just thought it was so cool. This is just eyeliner, which is awesome. And they do have another pencil. This is their fine liner. The other one is highliner. And I've seen some fun things done with that too. I'm not sure how many colors come in that one. I think that one is also $25 because I was looking at both of them, but I was kind of intrigued by this because you can use it in the waterline and I find that attractive. So you guys let me know if you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, just kind of going through those trends. We have just a couple more in this month and I will see you next time. Take care.